So I'm going to show you how to make a green chutney premix, which is very easy to make, and you can store this for up to 2 months in the refrigerator. And if you're like me who wants to make a small quantity of green chutney every time with a snack, then this is a perfect recipe for you. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell so you get the uploads first. So we are going to take some mint, like a handful of mint, inch piece of ginger, some green chilies as per taste, and fresh coriander. Now in this we are going to add this dalia, which is roasted chana, some black salt, about a half a teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds, and 2 teaspoons of lime juice. We are going to blend all this together. No water needed whatsoever, so don't add any water. So all the moisture from the mint and the coriander will be absorbed by the roasted chana dal, and the mix will be very dry, like as you can see. So this is how it turns out. You can grind more fine if you need it, but for me this is perfect. So I'm just going to take it out in a glass jar. So our premix is ready. See how easy it was. Now you can add salt or lime juice if you need to when you prepare the chutney. So let's prepare it. So we are going to take about 2 tablespoons of this chutney premix, and then add some water and adjust the consistency as you like. And you can add salt or sugar or lime juice according to your preference. So how do you like the video? Please let me know in the comment, and I'll see you guys next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.